So the next section in our pattern is the back stitch with this kind of curved section right here. And we're going to do lines or rows of back stitch to fill this space in. So we're actually going to start over on this side and then work our way across and then back and across. So to do that, we are going to bring our needle up slightly away from the edge of where we want our stitch to be along that line here. And we're going to go back to the edge of our piece. And then again, we'll leave a space about a stitch's length away, and then bring our needle back down in the hole of that last stitch. So for the back stitch, you're always leaving a space and then going back to fill that space in. You can play around with how long or short you want your back stitches to be. They don't have to be exactly even. Mine are usually about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch, but you can even tell mine are not always exactly the same size here. And when you have them as a large section, you won't be able to tell as much. When they're on their own, it's a little easier. But we'll just keep filling in this section with the back stitch.